Okay, today I wanted to compare the little mini bike to my little Coleman mini bike. This one's called G-Moto, and I've also seen it for sale under the name V-Fire. And just for comparison's sake, I'd say the handlebars to the back of the seat are about the same distance, so they both ride the same for me as far as I'm concerned. And I don't know, it is small, but like I say, it's still rideable, and so is the Coleman. So for the $250, I think this thing might be worth it. And if anybody's thinking about maybe buying this one, wasn't really sure how big or small it really is, hopefully this video helps. I think it's worth the $250 I paid. Just wanted to let you know, I guess.